Hi my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. For today's video, we're showing you guys Holy Stones drone. So this is the HS110G. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, and of course we have to flight test it. So guys, right away we see it comes in this amazing, just amazing. So guys, right away we see it comes in this amazing carrying backpack. So you can carry it like this. It also has a strap. This is really nice. This is a nice carrying case for it. So you got all your accessories, extra blades, everything right in this pocket here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, there it is. Nice and protected. Alright guys, so they give you two batteries, your remote, which we'll show you. They give you your charging cable, which we have it plugged in right now. So two batteries. We put one battery in. Now to charge it, you have to put the battery inside and then connect it right underneath here. As you guys can see, it has a camera. Also, power button is underneath as well. TF card slot is right there. Now this is a different style drone than some of you guys may be used to. The fun fact is, my very first drone that I ever got was this style, and I absolutely loved it. So I'm very curious to see how this one operates, being this style. Now, of course, we're talking probably 6-7 years ago I got one of this style, so things are definitely upgraded since then. Let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So here you have your remote control antenna. So this pulls out, and this is where you put your phone if you want to use your phone. Pop these antennas out. You have all your different modes: camera, pictures, landing, power button. On the bottom here, these pop out for gripping, so you got two. So just like that, very responsive remotes. So let's go ahead and test it out. So guys, my final thoughts are, it's a fun drone. We actually went pretty high with this thing as well. So overall, it is a lot of fun. I like it. Definitely gonna add it to our collection of drone keepers. Very nice, guys.